Throughout my life, every time I've entered a new home, I've always been offered a cup of tea by people that love me. It's a sign of care and affection. It always makes me feel at home.
My mum drinks tea like it's going out of fashion, never washes her mug out afterwards. So I associate tea with tea-stained mugs and second-hand tea bags. Always use a fresh tea bag because why not? You only live once.
Coming from a naval family, my dad used to love naval tea. So all the tea is basically always going to be really dark and strong.
When I was young, our teapot would be an aluminium teapot.
Aluminium?
Yes.
The English came to India to educate us, but I think we ended up educating you.
So where have you failed on my part?
Oh, God only knows.